Hello everyone. Today I give you a trick to make any table for a two-digit number. Suppose we have taken a number 14. We have to make a table for 14. So we will write the table for 1 and 4 here. So first we will write the table for 1. 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 3 and so on. We will find and write the table for number 1. Now we will write the table of 4. 4 ones is 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36 and 4 tens are 40. Now what you need to do is, we now have to make the table. It is 2 digits are single digits, 1 and 4. We will combine these two and 14 ones are 14. Similarly, it is single digit 2 and 8. We will combine them and it becomes 28. Now 1, it comes when 2 digit numbers are there. So what we will do, we will add these two. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 we will write on the same place. So 14 threes are 42. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 we will write in the same manner. Again 5 plus 2 is 7. 0 we will write here in the same manner. In the same way 6 plus 2, 8. 4 we will write in the same manner. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 as it is. 8 plus 3 is 11. 2 as it is. 9 plus 3 is 12. 6 as it is. 10 plus 4 is 14. 0 as it is. So it is very simple to make any table for the two digit number. Now let's try for a bigger number like 38. First of all, we will write the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. And now the table for 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Now we have to make the table for 38. Very simple. First two digits are single. We will write in the same manner. 38 ones are 38. Now 6 plus 1, 7 and 6. I hope it is very clear to everyone. Now you can please tell me 9 plus 2, 11 and 4. So 38 into 3 is 114. Now can you please tell 12 plus 3, 15 and 2. In the same way, you can make as many tables as you can for any two digit number. I hope you all have liked this. Thank you.